Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some brown stew fish, and the fish that I will be using is tilapia. So I have all my ingredients here that I will be using, and I have my fish right here that I have cleaned and washed with lemon juice, and I have all my vegetables chopped. So I am going to go ahead and show you how I season my fish. So I am going to move the chopped vegetables out of the way so I can have more space. And what I'm doing now, I am rubbing the powdered seasoning all over the fish. I'm rubbing it inside in the belly area and on the outer part. So you want to put as much seasoning on the fish so that it can be tasty. And that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to repeat the process on all the pieces that I have in this pan. I'm through with the seasoning of the fish. So I went ahead and I put my pot on the stove on a medium heat. And I add some oil, but I will be adding a little more oil and 2 cloves of garlic. And I will leave the garlic in the oil so that the oil can get the flavor from the garlic. And I will also leave the oil to get hot before I start frying the fish. I will now remove the garlic from the oil and start frying the fish. I will be turning the pieces on the other side. This is the color you want your fish to have when you flip them. So make sure to fry your fish properly until you have this nice and golden color. I'm now removing the pieces from the oil, and I will be setting these on a plate so that I can go ahead and fry the other pieces that I have. As you can see, I'm done frying the fish, and I am going to pour some of the oil from the pot that I fried the fish in, because I cannot use all of that oil in the stew. So I'm going to leave a little oil in the pot in which I'm going to add my vegetables. All my vegetables are now in the pot, so I am going to give it a proper stir, and then I will be adding some all-purpose seasoning, some browning, some ketchup, some dried thyme because that's what I have, and I will add some hot water and cover it so that my vegetables can half cook before I add my fish. One thing that you should take into consideration is the browning. If you add too much browning to your dish, it will cause the dish to become bitter and also too dark. So at this time, I am going to taste the sauce to see if I need anything else in it. And after tasting it, I realized that I need just a pinch of salt. So I'm going to add a pinch of salt. At this point, I am going to add all the pieces of fish to this sauce. And I am going to use a spoon to pour the sauce on top of the fish. So you can watch how I do it. And then afterwards, I am going to cover the pot and leave it to simmer for a little. And my fish will be ready the next time I open the pot. My fish is all done, and I will now turn the stove off, and I will be having this fish with some yams and cornmeal dumpling. So make sure to try this dish. All the ingredients is listed in the description box below. And remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and cook with love always.